Guys, welcome to this next video on common factoring and simple grouping. In the previous video, you guys learned how to expand and multiply binomials. For example, x plus 6 times x plus 2 can be expanded to give us our final product. In grade 7, you guys learned how to factor simple numbers. For example, the factors of 6 are 6 and 1 and 3 and 2. In grade 10, you're going to learn how to work backwards and find out what two binomials are multiplied to give you your final product. Let's try an example. One way to factor is by common factoring. For example, the expression 2x plus 6. We can factor this by first finding a common factor. A common factor between 2x and 6 is 2. So divide both terms by our common factor. We end up with 2 times x plus 3. If you expand this, you'll get 2x plus 6. So this is your final answer. Let's try to check our answer by using algebra tiles. So here we have 2x tiles and 6 1 tiles. So to get an x tile, we multiply x by 1. Once again, to get an x tile, you multiply x by 1. To get a 1 tile, you multiply 1 by 1. To get another 1 tile, you multiply 1 by 1, and same for its last one. So when you look at our side lines, we see that x plus 3 is the top, and 2 is the bottom. Sorry, 2 is the side. So here we have our two factors of 2x plus 6. Let's try another example. So here we have 2x squared plus 4x. One factor we can see right off the bat is x. So let's divide both these terms by x. We now have x times 2x plus 4. If you look at the terms in the brackets, we have another common factor, which is 2. So divide 2x and 4 by 2. We now have the final answer of 2x times x plus 2. Once again, let's check our answer using algebra tiles. So here we have 2x tiles, 2x squared tiles, and 4x tiles. To get an x squared tile, you multiply x by x. Once again, to get an x squared tile, you multiply x by x. To get an x tile, you multiply x by 1 and x by 1. So now on the sides, we have x plus 2 and 2x, as seen here. Another way to factor is by simple grouping. Let's consider this expression. 5y times 2y plus 3 minus 8 times 2y plus 3. Notice that even though the coefficients of both terms are different, the numbers in the brackets are the same. So what you can do is group it. So group the two coefficients into one bracket and combine the two similar coefficients into one bracket. You have your final answer of 5y minus 8 times 2y plus 3. That's all for common factoring and simple grouping.